Hi, in today's video, we are gonna talk about how to create new trending talking AI avatar. So, let's dive into it. Open browser, search for leonardo.ai. Click the first link. And then click on Create an account. Click on Image Generation. Select the number of images 2, or you can select more than 2. And then select the ratio 6:9. And select Albedo Base XL. And write your prompt here, and click on Generate. And the image has been created. Click here to download. For giving animation to this image, open Google and search for artflow.ai. Now click on the first link. Click on Video Studio. Upload your created image by clicking Browse button there. Click on the microphone icon to add voiceover in it. I have selected this voiceover. Enter the dialogue to enable the avatar to speak. Click the button to export the animation. And now give a title to it. And click on the Export Video. The video is downloaded. Let's see how does it looks. You can see the ugly watermark here.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel.
To remove the watermark, we need to first download it. To remove watermark, open Google, search for Video Watermark Remover AI. And click on the first link. Click on the Try It Online. Highlight with brush on the watermark area. and click on the Remove object. Our video is completed. Click on the download button to download it. Let's see how does it looks.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get every update from Mad of AI.